Welcome to Smart Stock Watch. Today, we're diving into the latest financial results of the Toro Company, a global leader in outdoor environment solutions. We'll break down their fiscal Q3 2024 earnings, explore key performance metrics, and discuss what these results mean for investors. Stay tuned for an in-depth analysis of Toro's financial health and future prospects. Curious to know more details on key takeaways and insights? Watch this video to find out. Executive Summary.
The Toro Company reported a strong fiscal Q3 2024 with net sales of $1.6 billion, a 6.9% increase from the same period last year. The company achieved a significant profit surge with a reported diluted EPS of $1.14, up from a loss of $4 in the previous year. The residential segment saw substantial growth, while the professional segment faced mixed results. Toro made significant progress in reducing dealer field inventories and continued to drive productivity through its AMP initiative. The company revised its full-year adjusted diluted EPS guidance to a range of $4.50 to $4.20.
Financial performance. What was the total revenue for the current quarter, and how does it compare with the previous quarter and the same period last year?
The total revenue for the current quarter was $1.16 billion, up 6.9% from $1.8 billion in the same period last year.
What were the GAAP and non-GAAP earnings per share (EPS), and how do they compare with the previous quarter and the same period last year?
The GAAP diluted EPS for the current quarter was $1.14, up from $0.4 in the same period last year. The non-GAAP adjusted diluted EPS, up 24.2% from $0.95 in the same period last year.
Segment performance. How did the major business segments perform in terms of revenue and growth compared to the previous periods?
Professional segment net sales were $880.9 million, down 1.7% from $896.3 million in the same period last year. Residential segment net sales were $267.5 million, up 52.6% from $175.3 million in the same period last year.
Operational efficiency. What were the GAAP and non-GAAP gross margins for the current quarter, and how do they compare with previous periods?
The GAAP gross margin for the current quarter was 34.8%, up from 34.4% in the same period last year. The non-GAAP adjusted gross margin was 35.4%, also up from 34.4% in the same period last year.
What were the GAAP and non-GAAP operating expenses for the current quarter, and how do they compare with previous periods?
GAAP operating expenses for the current quarter were 22.0% of net sales, compared with 22.2% in the prior year period. Non-GAAP operating expenses were not explicitly mentioned.
Cash flow and financial health. What are the key points of the balance sheets?
Total assets, $3,731.4 million. Total liabilities, stockholders' equity, $1,636.4 million.
What were the key points regarding cash flow from operating, investing, and financing activities?
Operating activities. Net cash provided by operating activities was $329.8 million. Investing activities. Net cash used in investing activities was $43.4 million. Financing activities. Net cash used in financing activities was $206.5 million.
Strategic initiatives and partnerships. What were the major strategic initiatives, product launches, and partnerships announced in the current quarter?
Significant progress in reducing dealer field inventories of lawn care products. Continued advancement of the AMP productivity initiative, expected to deliver at least $100 million in annualized run rate savings by fiscal 2027. Strategic addition of Lowe's to the residential mass channel.
Risk and challenges. What are the key risks and challenges highlighted in the report or discussed by the management?
Increased macro caution affecting shipments of lawn care products, higher material and manufacturing costs, manufacturing inefficiencies as production and inventory levels are adjusted to market conditions.
Future outlook. What is the company's revenue and gross margin guidance for the next quarter or fiscal year?
The company expects total net sales growth of about 1% for fiscal 2024 and adjusted diluted EPS in the range of $4.50 to $4.20.
Overall performance and investment prospects. Based on the financial results and strategic updates, what is the assessment of the company's overall performance?
The Toro Company demonstrated strong overall performance with significant revenue growth and a profit surge in fiscal Q3 2024. The company effectively managed macroeconomic challenges, reduced dealer inventories, and advanced its productivity initiatives. The outlook for fiscal 2024 remains positive, with continued demand in key segments and strategic partnerships.
That's all for today's analysis of the Toro Company's impressive Q3 2024 earnings report. If you found this video insightful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Smart Stock Watch for more in-depth financial insights. Let us know in the comments if you think Toro is a strong investment opportunity right now. Thanks for watching, and see you next time. Boost your trading game with Interactive Brokers, a leading platform known for its advanced tools and low commissions. I've personally benefited from their fast execution and comprehensive market access. Click the referral link in the video description below to sign up and support this channel. Start trading smarter today with IBKR. Thanks for watching, and happy investing.